Ongkar sini titi di sini. The whole contingent is led by Field Commander Sahid Deborma from Yakli Academy, going to salute the chief guest. Montfort Girls led by Semoli Deborma, followed by Montfort Boys led by Khasrang Jamatia. Montfort Girls. Montfort Boys. Khongpui Academy Girls led by Bisurani Tripura. Khongpui Academy Boys led by Jonah Ramphal. Sasa Academy Girls led by Nimi Deborma. Sasa Academy Girls. Sasa Academy Boys led by Daniel Deborma. Sasa Boys. Next, Ekalopo Model Residential School Girls contingents led by Aishri Deborma, EMRS in short. EMRS Boys led by Abel Deborma. EMR Boys. Yakli Academy Girls. Yakli Academy Girls led by Tanusri Jamatia. Yakli Girls. Now last contingent, that is Yakli Boys led by Bless Riang. Namaste. Good morning everybody. Today, 15th August 2023,
তিনি 77 ৭৭তম স্বাধীনতা দিবস পালন হয়তো today the 15th August 2023 we are celebrating 77th Independence Day of India. On this occasion I extend my warm, heartfelt greetings to all the citizens of Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous Council areas. Tininiu dino ang Sadhinata Diwas ni upalakhe Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous Council area ni joto barak lukurapna Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous Council administration ni ang Dr. Kakaham Kulumong te Shubhecha Jotanang Pradhan. Sungguh ini 77 Independence Day Sadhinata Diwas palan raito Thiku dino in 1947 1947 sala 15 August sini Bharat Sadhinata Mana. Sini Bharat Sadhinata Mana mane bigata 200 বছর বিদেশ ni ইংরেজ ni শাসনের থেকে মুক্ত রাখা ও দিনজং স্বাধীনতা দিবস হিসেবে পালন রাইতো সঙ্গে স্বাধীনতা মাতা হাইমাইয়া সিনিয়র ভারত বরাবর যারা সামনে বড় অনেক সংগ্রাম খাইমানে পড়ে থৈরমানে পড়ে সং স্বাধীনতা মাতা হাইমাই তিনি যারা ফ্রিডম ফাইটার্স স্বাধীনতা সংগ্রামী যারা পড়ে যারা থামেরা যারা থৈর হইছিল স্বাধীনতা রাখা বড় চং যতনি খাবাইয়া চমরা হলুনাই বড়নি yang macam membawa kolonial khabaikan. Sini Bharat ni the constitution ni preamble sujak tamo je sini Bharat bahai engnai. Sini Bharat ni constitution ni preamble sujak tamo. We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social justice, economic justice, political justice, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and unity and integrity of the nation. Among preamble talks about unity, equal opportunity, and equal rights and equal duties. So, Bharatni citizen hisabe, each one of us is an equal citizen. We have got equal rights, equal opportunity, and equal duties also. Since India, when we say India, Bharat, it reminds us that all India extends right from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari, right from Tripura to Gujarat. This is our India. This is Bharat. India is a country. Why it is a country? To become a country, it has to have 4 characteristics or elements. Aisa desh mein thaka hangkai. Boni, 4ta jinis tangai. Bongkai, first of all, land. Hama tangai. Aisa country, ngani hangkai bani hama tangai. 2 number hangkai bani sarkar tangai, government. 3 number hangkai bani population tangai, orang manusia tangai. And power. Government should be sovereign power. वो 4टा जिनिस से कैसा देश गठन खाइबन भारत कैसा स्वाधीन देश because it has land, it has population, it has government and also sovereign power. Sovereign means it is free from internal and external influences.